Introducing Panelindo's new product, the ceramic vase, crafted to elevate your home decor with elegance and durability. Panelindo's ceramic vase, measuring 30 by 10 by 26 cm, combines elegance and functionality to enhance your home decor with its perfect proportion. Crafted from terracotta, Panelindo's ceramic vase boasts natural charm and durability, adding a timeless appeal to your home decor. Panelindo ceramic vase come in a range of natural color, ensuring versatility and seamless integration into any interior design scheme. Elevate your living space with sophistication. Bring home Panelindo's ceramic vase today and add timeless elegance to your decor.